Assalamu alaikum and peace and blessing be upon all of you. I am here at IGNA Relief. Brother Khalid from IGNA called me last night and asked me that they have function going on if I could come down here. And I'm here with Dr. Adnan Muhammad, and he's one of the volunteers. I'm really actually glad that he's here. He can explain a little bit what it is that he does here for IGNA and also down there at Islamic Society of Tampa Bay. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, Doctor. Can you please tell everyone that all the great work that you guys doing?
Sure. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. So my name is Dr. Adnan Muhammad. I'm a gastroenterologist and a hepatologist. So I've been here in Tampa for more than 10 years, and I've been involved in multiple societies, multiple organizations. ICNA Relief Tampa and Istaba and Red Crescent Clinic are one of them. So here today we are at ICNA Relief Tampa office in Tampa, and we are doing two special events today. We are doing back to school health physicals. So we have a group of participants, volunteers, myself, Dr. Sarah Khan, and we have excellent nurses and the PS. They are here, and we are doing the preschool going health physicals. This is all free, and then we have a health physical form which is given by Department of Health in Florida. So we will be filling out the form, inshallah. The students and their parents are going to be coming from 11 till 2, and then we will give out the form, we will do the physical and complete this, because this is an essential requirement back to school. The second event simultaneously, which is happening, and inshallah you can take a tour and show them, that we have back to school backpacks.
Yeah.
So we have excellent backpacks out there, which all the back to school supplies, which our volunteers, mashallah, are organizing. So every child who's going to come in here get a physical and get a back to school backpack. Thanks to our volunteers in the greater Tampa community who have been very generous with their donations, and the volunteers who are basically participating today here. So inshallah we are looking for a successful event. On the same note, let me just introduce you about the clinic we have next to Istaba, Islamic Society of Tampa Bay. That's on Salai. We have a clinic named Red Crescent Clinic. So I've been involved in that clinic for more than 10 years.
Nice.
As a volunteer physician. There are about 20 doctors over there who are volunteering time every single day, 6 days a week. And depending on their specialties. So my specialty is gastroenterology and hepatology. So we see patients with all GI problems and liver problems. We have successfully treated hundreds of patients over there, and the treatment is completely free, and sometimes we even supply them free medications, and we try to get the medications from the pharmaceutical companies, the expensive medication, but the patients will get everything for free. This is open for all mankind. So regardless of the race, religion, background, ethnicity, everybody is welcome. The clinic is located on Sly Avenue, and the name of the clinic, if you Google it, is Red Crescent Clinic of Tampa. So, and I'm volunteering there twice a month on Saturdays. So anybody who is in need for seeing a physician, please come there. Almost all the specialties, including primary care, is covered. And I just want to, in the end, thanks all the volunteers and the greater Tampa community for helping and supporting these great causes. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Doctor. I really, really appreciate it. Actually, you said it so well and beautifully that there's not too much left. But I just want to add one other thing. I believe they're also doing dental,
Yes.
some sample dental.
Yes, absolutely. So right now we have the new mobile clinic which is set up,
Yes.
which is twice the size of the old clinic.
Oh,
So
yeah,
we,
exactly.
so we have 6 exam rooms over
Yes,
there.
yes.
We have a dental exam room.
Yes.
And the dentist and the hygienist come there also. So that's something you have to, if somebody wants to get in touch with the clinic and call them, make an appointment. But there are dentists over there with a hygienist, and the rooms are available. And we do all other regular primary care and specialty care.
I did a little quick, almost 10-minute quick documentary on it, but I like to do it again when you're down there so we
Sure,
can go
absolutely,
through some of
inshallah.
that.
I will let you know. So when I'm there next time, I will inshallah let you know. You can come and look at it with yourself, right? And then involve all the community.
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
The community needs to know what's happening in the community. A lot of people in this Tampa area don't know that these things are there.
Yes.
They may know somebody who has no insurance,
Yes.
who has lost insurance,
Yes.
and who cannot see a physician because I know it's expensive. This is why we are here. This is why this clinic is there. This is what the Red Crescent Clinic
It's
is.
a part of our
So
religion.
it's part of the religion to serve the humanity, to serve the community at large, regardless of their background, beliefs, ethnicity. We don't talk about that. The patients come there. A patient is a patient. We treat them with dignity and respect. And all the patients and the feedbacks when you go there, you can also interview the patients over there, and they will give you the feedback. But my understanding, they are very happy. They get the best care, free of cost, and free medications. Blood work is also free. So we arrange everything through different volunteer platforms, and they get the best treatment.
Once again, to just clarify, you don't have to be Muslim. You can
No,
be anybody and anybody, any color,
everybody.
right?
Even I mean, we don't even ask them. So as soon as you enter into the clinic, there's a registration form. You just have to. It's like registering any other clinic, name, your demographics, and that's it. We don't ask any money. We don't ask any personal questions. You will be registered. You will be seen by a provider, a physician, nurse practitioner, whoever is there, and you get the care. Everybody is treated equally.
That Red Crescent down there, how long? It's been there 10
It's
years?
been there for, I've been there for 10 years, so I believe it's almost 12, 13 years now.
So, because you're absolutely right. They doubled the size.
They doubled the
It
size.
was smaller.
Absolutely. More rooms now, more beautiful clinic, and a lot of rooms in there. So, and more area for the patients to sit in there, especially during the COVID, right? So we can maintain social distance. The COVID precautions are taken very seriously. So here also, I just want to add on
Right,
also,
right.
since we are talking about COVID. So here in our clinic today, where we are doing the physicals, we are taking COVID precautions per CDC guidelines. So everybody is wearing a mask and social distancing. When the patients and the kids are going to come in here, there will be a questionnaire they have to fill out. If they are sick or they suspected COVID symptoms, they'll be sent to the emergency room or urgent care or their doctors. Only people who are asymptomatic, have no COVID risk factor, they'll be served today. And same thing holds true for the ICNA relief or for the Red Crescent Clinic.
And once again, all you guys are volunteer. Nobody gets paid
Absolutely.
down there,
No, no, no. I
the
mean,
$20.
feel free to go around and interview other people. But myself, we have Dr. Adil here. He is
Right.
right here. Dr. Sarah Khan, myself. And then we have nurse practitioners, we have PA, we have students, we have college students. We are all here volunteering our time to serve the community.
Subhanallah. It shows the beauty of our religion.
MashaAllah,
Yeah.
absolutely, absolutely. This is one of the beauty of the religion, serving all mankind,
Mankind.
all mankind.
Thank you so much. I always work together with Brother Khalid in one capacity or another. I'm so glad that he invited me today to actually show the beauty of not only our religion but the greatness of doctors like yourself and 20 other ones that you were saying that just
Absolutely.
give their time for all mankind. And from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you. And I just hope many others watch this and learn from
Absolutely.
the kindness
Inshallah.
of what
Because
you
this
do.
is going to be continuous,
Yes.
right? We need more younger people coming in
Exactly.
there
Yeah.
and taking the baton on and leading to the next
Yeah.
generation. This is going to stay there for hundreds of years,
Yeah, exactly.
inshallah. ta'ala.
Yes, yes.
We will not be here.
Yeah.
But this thing, the work should continue. Inshallah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you. Anytime.